Welcome to this installation and setup of the Cync Smart Panels. Within this video, we'll guide you through the install of the panels and setting the panels up within the Cync app. Start by first gathering all the needed items for the install. This will include the installation guide, layout templates, the panels themselves, a bubble level, control box mounting screws, traceless nails, adhesive strips, panel alignment tool, the power supply, the control box, panel linking cables, cleaning wipes, and the panel removal tool. Now that we have confirmed we have all the items for the install and setup, proceed to the Cync app. Select Add Devices on the home screen, then select the device type. Power up the first panel by plugging the control box into the first panel. The control box will plug into the input slot on the back of the panel, identified by an arrow. Then, plug the power supply into the control box. Then plug the power supply into the wall and verify the panel lights up and press Next. The Cync app will relay it is now going to search for new devices. Press Next. The Cync app will attempt to locate the smart panel. Once found, a tile will appear for that smart panel. The panel will flash signaling it has been found. Press Setup once the correct panel has been located. Provide a name to the panel and press Next. Select the Wi-Fi network to connect the panel to and press Next. Provide the password and press Next. The Cync app will now attempt to connect to the network. Once successful, press Next. Select a room or create a new room and press Next. Assign the smart panel to a group if desired, or press Skip. The smart panels will now be added to the home. Once successfully added to the home, you will now start to create the design within the Cync app. Press Next. You can create your own layout by pressing the plus and designing one of your own, or you can select the recommended designs for either a 7 or 10 panel setup. Since we have 10 panels, we will select a 10 panel recommended design. We can make any changes we desire to the panels and then press Next. Utilize the paper templates to make sure the design you picked fits in the area you chose. On the back of the paper template are 3 sticky pads so that the template can stick onto the wall. Follow the orientation from the Cync app and stick them onto the wall. Once you have verified the design will fit, press Next. Now it will be time to install the smart panels onto the wall. Press Next to proceed. The Cync app will guide you through the install process, relaying which panel to mount and what slot number to place the linking cable into. Start with the first panel. Make sure the control box is plugged into the input slot. Before mounting the panel to the wall, connect the link cable to the numbered slot as shown in the Cync app, and be sure to remove the clear protective film on the panel. Next, apply the adhesive. Remove the white side of the adhesive and apply it to the back of the panel. Ensure the pull tab is not facing a link cable. Remove the paper template on the wall and then remove the blue side of the adhesive. If needed, utilize the level and make sure the panel is lined up correctly. Then, firmly press the panel onto the wall and hold for 30 seconds to ensure good contact. Once installed, grab the next panel. Tap the existing panel within the Cync app to proceed. The Cync app will show you where to place the next linking cable. The connecting link cable from panel to panel will need to be creased in order to be hidden behind the panels. The best practice to achieve this is place the 2 panels face to face on the wall. Place the link cable from the existing panel and place it into the input slot on the new panel. Then prepare the next linking cable into the corresponding number slot from the Cync app. Then flip the new panel against the wall so that the link cable is extended. Then push the new panel up against the existing. This will create the needed crease. Then flip the panel back over to remove the adhesive strip. Place the panel into position and then firmly press on the panel for 30 seconds. Utilize the panel alignment tool to align the panels during installation. Place the alignment tool against the first panel and then slide the next panel into the tool. This helps keep the panels aligned and maintain proper spacing. Repeat this process for the remainder of your design while following the in-app instructions. Be sure to place the linking cable on the output slot on the panel before installing onto the wall. If desired, the traceless nails can be utilized. Use the panel remover tool to pop the panel from the backplate, and then use the 3 traceless nails to hammer into the wall. Then pop the panel back into the backplate. Make sure to match up the input on the back of the panel to the input slot. Once the design is complete, tap on each panel within the Cync app to illuminate them and verify that the design is accurately calibrated. If a panel illuminates in an unexpected spot, you will need to go back to modify your design in the app or adjust the link cables into the correct numbered position. Tap Next to have the Cync app check for updates. Once finished, press Done or press Add More Devices. After pressing Done, you will be brought to the home screen. Test the panels by selecting the room they were commissioned to and verify the panels are responsive. Thank you for watching this learning module on the Cync Smart Panels. For more information, please see cyncsupport.gelighting.com.